Mm. Azula. Azula. Nasa bahay nila. Where's Ate Danica? Azula. Azula, come here. Come here, come here. Come here. Guys, what do you guys do on Sunday? I'm like tired at the same time, bored. Like, hi Tita Tina. But yeah, I'm just wondering. Hi Charles. Stop licking my feet. Yeah, I just came home from a late lunch. Trinit ko yung employees ko. So yeah. Thank you, Tita. Azula, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Aww, cute. Why are you saying Rebel? Did you see me at Rebel last night? I was at Rebel last night. And the other night, I went home at around... My lashes are so ugly, but I went home at around 5 a.m. Yeah. Oh, how cute. Rate 1 to 10. Gano'n ka-cute yung aso ko? Bakit ka? One to 10. How cute is my dog? Say hi. Oh, cute, cute, cute. Anyway, I'm home now and I'm tired, but I'm bored. I feel like what do you mean nabalik na wallet mo? How do you know that my wallet got lost? But anyway, this is a very sabaw live. These are just one of those moments na ang sabaw. Like, asan yung brain cells? But, yeah, this is how I'm gonna satiate my boredom. Oh, yeah, matagal na yun. Yeah. It's just me and my dog. This is how we're gonna spend Sunday. Ito ang mood namin. Anong magandang palabas sa Netflix? Cause like, wala nang saysay yung buhay ko. Natapos ko yung House of the Dragon. I love Princess Queen Rhaenyra. Like, girl crush ko si Emma Darcy. Like, nakakatibo siya. Malapit na akong mag-change court. But yeah, wala akong mapanood kasi like, walang maganda. Any suggestions? Hi. Any suggestions? What to watch? Do you guys have suggestions what to watch on Netflix? Wala ako masyado sa mood magkwento. But anyway, bye guys. Thanks for being sabaw with me, I guess.